In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in website. We'll walk through logging into Typeform, opening the form you've already created, and grabbing the embed code so you can place it on your site. I'll also share a few quick tips along the way to make sure everything works smoothly. Start by heading to the Typeform website and sign in. Choose Continue with Google, then pick the Google account you use for Typeform. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard right away. If a window doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups during the Google sign-in. Once you're in, go to your dashboard and open the Typeform you want to embed. This takes you into the builder. A handy reminder here, Typeform saves your work automatically as you build, so you don't need to hunt for a save button before sharing. Next, look for the share option in the top navigation of the form editor. This is where Typeform centralizes all the ways you can distribute your form. In the share section, choose the option to embed in a web page. You'll see a few styles, such as a standard in-page embed or other layouts. You can preview how it will look on different screen sizes, and depending on your plan, you may see additional customization options like removing branding or adjusting the embed's height. When you're ready, click View Code. Typeform will generate the exact snippet you need. This is typically a small script or iframe that loads your form in the location you place it on your site. Take a moment to scan the preview so you're confident it's the right form and style. Finally, click Copy to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now you can paste this code into your website's HTML editor. For example, in a CMS like WordPress, add a custom HTML block on the page where you want the form to appear and paste the code there. In site builders like Webflow or Squarespace, use their embed or code block element. If you're working with a plain HTML file, paste the snippet directly into the section of the page where you want the form to show up. After publishing or updating your page, visit it in a new tab to confirm the Typeform loads correctly and is responsive on mobile. If you don't see it, clear your cache or check that any content blockers are disabled on that page. That's it. You've logged in, opened your form, used the share panel to generate an embed, viewed the code, copied it, and placed it in your site's HTML. You're good to go.